You do not need subscribers. You do not need a camera. You do not even need any skills. AI can make YouTube shorts that earn money. And in this video, I am showing you exactly how, from zero, using only free tools. This is part one of a series where I document everything. The setup, the strategy, the results. No hype, no exaggeration. Just the honest process of building a money-making shorts channel using AI. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss part two. Why YouTube Shorts is the fastest growing income opportunity right now. YouTube Shorts generates over 70 billion views every single day. That number is not slowing down. It is accelerating. YouTube introduced the Shorts monetization program, which pays creators directly based on views. You no longer need thousands of subscribers to start earning. You need views. And views on Shorts can come from the algorithm pushing your content to new audiences, even on a brand new channel with 0 subscribers. This changes everything for beginners. Traditional YouTube required months of consistent uploading before the algorithm noticed you. Shorts can push a single video to hundreds of thousands of people on day one if the content hits right. The creators winning on Shorts right now are not the most talented. They are the most consistent and the most strategic. AI gives any beginner both of those advantages immediately. What is a faceless AI Shorts channel? A faceless AI Shorts channel produces short vertical videos, between 15 and 60 seconds long, without the creator ever appearing on camera or recording their own voice. The content is generated entirely using AI tools. A script written by Claude. A voiceover generated by 11 Labs. Visuals created or sourced automatically. Captions added by CapCut. The entire video assembled in under 20 minutes. Best performing faceless shorts niches right now include AI facts and tips, money-making strategies, productivity hacks, motivational content, true crime summaries, history facts, science explanations, and technology news. All of these niches share one characteristic. They deliver a specific piece of valuable or fascinating information in under 60 seconds. That is the Shorts formula that drives views, watch time completion, and subscriber growth simultaneously. Step 1. Set up your channel and niche. Create a new YouTube channel specifically for your Shorts content. Use a niche-focused name that immediately communicates what the channel is about. AI Money Tips. Tech Facts Daily. AI Productivity. Open Claude and ask it to help you define your channel's content pillars. Something clear, memorable, and searchable. Tell Claude your chosen niche and ask it to identify the 5 most engaging content angles within that niche that would work best for 60-second shorts. Ask it to explain what makes each angle compelling for a short-form video audience. Write your channel description using Claude. Optimize it with the keywords your target viewer would search for. Upload a simple channel banner and icon designed in Canva. The entire channel setup takes under 2 hours. Step 2. Create your first shorts using AI. The shorts creation workflow has 4 steps and takes under 20 minutes per video. Step 1. Script. Open Claude and give it a brief for a 60-second short in your niche. Ask for a hook in the first 3 words that immediately grabs attention. A clear single point delivered in simple language. And a final line that creates curiosity or invites engagement. Claude produces the complete script in under 30 seconds. Read it. Adjust the hook if needed. Confirm it delivers genuine value in under 60 seconds. Step 2. Voiceover. Open 11 Labs. Paste your script. Select your channel voice. Generate the audio. Download the MP3. This takes 3 minutes. Step 3. Visuals. Open CapCut on your phone or computer. Start a new vertical project at 1080 by 1920 resolution. Import your 11 Labs audio. Add stock footage from CapCut's free library that matches your script. Use CapCut's automatic caption feature to add synchronized subtitles. This dramatically increases watch time because many viewers watch without sound. Step 4. Export and upload. Export your finished short directly from CapCut. Upload to YouTube. Write a keyword-rich title and description using Claude. Add relevant hashtags, including the Shorts hashtag. Publish. Under 20 minutes from idea to published short. That is your daily production target. Step 3. The posting strategy that drives growth. Post one short every single day. Same time every day. Consistency signals to YouTube that your channel is a reliable source, and reliable sources get promoted more aggressively. Best performing times are early morning and early evening in your target audience's time zone. Posting at 9 a.m. GMT reaches multiple major markets simultaneously. For the first 30 days, judge your results as a trend, not video by video. Some shorts get 200 views, some get 50,000. You cannot predict which ones hit until you have data. Creators who quit after 10 videos never find out which video would have gone viral at video 15. Use Claude every Monday to generate 7 new scripts in one session. A full week of content ready to produce in one sitting. Batch production is faster and more efficient than creating one video daily from scratch. How Shorts makes you money. YouTube pays Shorts creators through its revenue sharing program. Eligible channels receive a percentage of ad revenue from the Shorts feed. Typically 3 to 7 cents per 1,000 views. One short at 100,000 views earns $3 to $7. That compounds fast. A channel with 100 shorts each averaging 1,000 daily views generates 100,000 views per day, $300 to $700 per month from ad revenue alone. Beyond ad revenue, Shorts drive subscribers to your main channel where longer videos earn higher ad rates. They also drive traffic to affiliate links in your description and your digital products on Gumroad. Shorts is not a standalone income. It is a growth engine that feeds every other income stream simultaneously. Your action plan, starting today. Create your niche-focused channel today. Define your content pillars with Claude. Produce your first 3 shorts using the 4-step workflow. Publish daily starting tomorrow. Batch produce 7 scripts every Monday with Claude. Track your results weekly and double down on the angles that perform best. That is the complete Part 1 system. Setup, strategy, daily workflow, monetization. In Part 2 of this series, I will go deeper into optimizing your shorts for maximum algorithmic reach. Titles, hashtags, hooks that stop the scroll, and the content formats generating the highest view counts right now. What niche would you build your shorts channel in? Drop it in the comment. I personally reply to every comment. If this got you excited about shorts income, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech and hit the bell notification so you never miss Part 2 when it drops. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.